Look, I'm gonna be your personal stylist for the rest of your life. If you remember these 7 signs in the back of your head, it's like I'm with you at all times. See, because there's gonna be a lot of times where you're gonna throw something on in a store, or you just bought something, you're trying it on, and you just don't know if it looks good on you. Well, now you're gonna know, because I'm gonna help you out. Let's hop into it. Number 1, is there any weirdness in size? This one will take an eye that you're gonna build over time. It's very hard because it differs from body to body, but look for anomalies in size in certain key points. Shoulders. Your chest. Is it too baggy? Does it fit right? Is it too tight? Are your pants too short in any area? Are they bunching up excessively? A lot of times these abnormalities, you can tell that they're not right by just looking at a full-length mirror, which is what I suggest every man have. Look, you can buy one off Amazon for like 20 bucks. Buy yourself a full-length mirror that you can hang up in your office, and every morning assess, are there abnormalities in my fit? If there are, chances are it doesn't look good on you. 2, how confident do you feel? Look, there's certain pieces, and I know you felt this before, that as soon as you throw them on, you feel unstoppable. Your confidence feels out the roof. You just feel good. Easy example, you throw on a pair of Jade Blacks, I feel good. You look good. See, anytime you throw on a good pair of frames that suit your face shape, instantly you'll feel good. Why? Because you're hiding imperfections. If you have abnormalities with your eyes or there's certain crookedness, a pair of glasses hides that. And then, since they're a symmetrical object, your face looks symmetrical, and now you feel confident instantly. You feel more attractive. This is why I love sunglasses, and I started a whole sunglass brand. See, with Jade Black, my goal is for you to just feel good. And I want you to do that without breaking the bank. And right now, boys, we just dropped 11 new designs. This being one of them, we just added them in a different colorway. And the beauty of our glasses is the build quality. We have stainless steel construction, Italian acetate. You can even see the logo at the tip here. Like, bro, like I'm talking super premium attention to detail. Polarized lenses, and look at this. You hear that? Exactly, you don't hear anything. Grab any pair of glasses you have right now and shake them. You're gonna hear excessive rattling. Yo, we even worked on the nose pads to make sure we removed rattling. I wanted you to have a premium experience. And for 49 bucks, 49 bucks. Yo, like where else are you gonna get glasses that look like designer? Look at our reviews. Everybody says the same thing. Our glasses feel just as good as designer brand, but for 49 bucks, meaning you can buy yourself 3 pairs from our new collection and it's still cheaper than a pair of Ray-Bans. Oh, that is insane. And I'm telling you, these glasses, they're gonna fly. They don't last long. See, every time we do a restock, they usually go out in a week or so, and what ends up happening is it takes months to be able to restock. I don't want you to miss out. Yo, if you guys want to check out Jade Black and buy yourself a pair of glasses that will boost your confidence, click that link down below. Number 3, it's not well kept. If your clothes is faded, stained, torn, stretched out, wrinkled, if there's any sign of wear and tear that you just improperly took care of that clothing, chances are it doesn't look good on you. As soon as you look at that, no, it's not gonna make me look good. It's gonna make me look bummy, and it's gonna make me look careless, and you've automatically cheapened the look of that garment because of your lack of care. And now that garment looks lower quality, when in reality, it could be a good quality item, but since you didn't take care of it, you've deteriorated its lifespan. 4, you're following trends and not your personal preference. This is a strong sign. See, too many guys will follow a trend even though it goes against what their personal preference is when it's the style. Anytime you go against what you feel good about when you wear, chances are it's not going to look good on you. Mainly because you're not going to feel secure in something that you don't feel confident in. Which rolls us on to number 5. It doesn't flatter your personal body type. Our bodies come in all different shapes, size, lines, and every other abnormality you can think of. We don't have perfect structures and we're not all the same. This is why you need to understand you have to dress for your body type. And the easiest rule of thumb, because everybody is different, is that you want to highlight your strengths and hide your weaknesses. For example, let's say that you have a great upper body, but your torso, you got a couple of love handles. Well, you're going to highlight your strengths. You're going to make sure it fits on top any garment you throw on, but you want a garment that has extra space in the midsection to hide maybe your love handles. See, you want to hide imperfections, highlight your strengths. 6, your clothes doesn't match your lifestyle. This one's important. See, at its bare, Clothes is functional. It's supposed to cover you up and also serve a function for whatever lifestyle you carry. So whether you're a blue collar worker or you work in an office or you're corporate, doesn't matter. Look at your personal lifestyle and then buy clothes that suit that lifestyle. If your clothes doesn't suit that lifestyle, chances are that clothes won't work for you. And ultimately, number 7, trust your gut. See, remember what I said in the beginning of the video? A lot of times you'll throw something on and you're just unsure. You're just like, I don't know how I feel about this. Even after you looked at yourself in the mirror, your gut almost 90% of the time is right. Like if it's telling you like, yo, looks a little goofy, looks a little wacky, it probably looks wacky and it doesn't look good on you, which is fine. A lot of things don't good on me and don't look good on other people. You have to start developing and understanding your personal style and overall understanding your gut. That way, you're always on point. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our restock of Jade Black and our new glasses. If you guys want to check those out, they're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.